Hey guys, what's up? It's Tech Flash. Alright, so today we're going to be unboxing the iPhone 13 mini, and basically I'm going to be talking about why you shouldn't be wasting your money on this device. Last year I also reviewed the 12 mini, and at the time I said that that was probably the best device in its category and size, and I would say that again for the 13 mini as well, because if you think about it, this is the most powerful device that you can buy out there in a 5.4-inch display. It has the best camera, the best processor for its size, and no other company out there makes a 5.4-inch device with the specifications and the processing power that this phone has. However, there are some things about the 13 mini which lead us to believe that this is nothing more than a waste of money, which I will discuss in a bit. Looking at the device today, we have it in the new color which Apple introduced as Starlight, which honestly is just a fancy word for white or silver, but if you do look at the sides, the aluminum frame kinda has this golden tone to it. We have the 128 gig variant, which is the base model, as Apple has now started to introduce the iPhones with a base storage of 128 gigs instead of 64, which means you are paying the same amount but you're getting double the storage. This also has the diagonal camera setup on the back like the regular iPhone 13, and the camera system is also exactly the same, which is quite a capable camera because now it has the same system that the iPhone 12 Pro has. In the box we get a couple of things, or lack of things, like the USB-C to Lightning cable alongside this minimal paperwork. We also have the smaller notch this time. The display however is the same with a bit more brightness, but with all of that the mini has a big flaw, which is something that the iPhone 12 mini users will also be able to tell you, and that is the battery time. But with battery time there was even a bigger issue, and that was the battery life or the battery health. Since it has a smaller battery, it has to be charged more often, which means it would complete charging cycles faster and decrease the actual battery life very quickly. To give you a couple of numbers, users have reported around 15% battery health loss within a year. That means that you are left with just 85% health. To give you more of a perspective, I have been using an iPhone XS since 2018 as my daily driver. My phone at this time is at 87% health. On top of that, the 13 mini not only has the A15, which is a power hungry chip, but it also supports 5G, which means that the battery is going to drain even faster. This means that within a year you most likely will have to go for a battery replacement, since iPhones start to throttle after they fall below 80% battery health. Even though you have the A15 Bionic chip, which is probably the most powerful chip out there on a phone, you won't really get to enjoy it a lot, and even though Apple did increase the battery efficiency this time, still it is just not enough to get you by. Apart from this very huge flaw, the iPhone 13 is an awesome little phone, and you get a lot of the same bells and whistles that you'll get on the 13 and the 13 Pro. From the camera, you'll also get the same modes, including the cinematic mode, which is very nice to see. Talking about the size, this may be the perfect size for a lot of people, but if you are in the market for an iPhone, I would recommend the 13 since it has the most value for money. Anyways guys, that is it for the iPhone 13 mini. Hope you enjoyed this quick video. If you did, please drop a like and consider subscribing so we can reach our goal of 5,000 subs by the end of the year. Thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.